In this video, I want to show you how to copy your Trust Wallet address. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, what we want to do is open up our Trust Wallet as we normally would, and then we'll be brought to the home page inside Trust Wallet. So now, depending what crypto you want to get the wallet address for, so what we can do, so if you want to find your wallet address for Bitcoin, you want to click into Bitcoin, and then you want to click on receive, and now this is your wallet address for your Bitcoin. So you copy that, and then you can paste that to wherever you want and send it to whoever to receive any Bitcoin. And likewise, if we want to copy our Trust Wallet address for, say, Ethereum, we'll do the same thing. Click on Ethereum, and then we want to click on receive, and then we want to click on copy, and now we've copied that wallet address.